Hi students, let's explore this concept here, which is the area under the curve. If we want to find the area under the curve bounded by the curve, the x-axis, and two lines xa and xb here, so where a is actually smaller than b, generally this is an integration bounded by, let's say a is here and b is here, okay, and this is the area that we're looking for. So this is the area here. Let me just shade it out. Okay, shade it out here. It's the area from A to B. Okay, if you want to find this area here, let's say this area here would then be integration of A to B. Now remember, A always starts, when I say A to B means you start from A here to B, and this is fx dx. It's a definite integral from A to B, right? So this area here, this is generally when fx is bigger or equals to 0. You don't need to know this, but essentially it just says that the y-axis is above the curve is above the y-axis. So fx bigger than 0 just means the curve is above the y-axis here. So generally, if you want to find the area here, this is pretty straightforward. A to B, make sure that integrating from A to B here. Okay. Now, however, if the curve is below the x-axis, which means this is fx less than or equals to 0. What we could do is actually, if you want to find from A to B, similarly, this is A to B here. Okay, take note. This area here will instead give us a negative area, okay, because the area is actually projected from the bottoms up. Okay, so when we do the integration here, what we typically write down is actually we modulus it. So this area here is actually just this area. If you take from A to B, fx dx is the same thing, but because this will yield a negative area, and area has to be positive, that's why we put the modulus outside. Okay, so this is just for you to take note. If the curve is below, just make sure that you below the x-axis, just make sure that you modulus it, meaning just change it to a positive value. And if it's negative, if it's a positive, then you don't need to mod it. Alright, so let's see how we can actually use this concept here for the subsequent questions. Any questions, please let me know, and I will see you there.